Hey, what's up? Today we're making a hit indicator. When you get shot, an arrow will pop up pointing towards the enemy that hits you. Let's get into it. Okay, to get started, I'm going to be using the first person template because it has a projectile already built and everything, which is what I want. And I'm just gonna duplicate this and I'll rename it to BP projectile. Open that up and save that for later. And in content here, I will just make a new widget. You can make this anywhere that you want. I'll make it in here. I'll call this WBP underscore hits underscore indicator. Now open that up as well. And here we want to drag in a canvas panel. Make sure, if you want to, make sure the screen size is set to 1080p. That's what I like to do. You don't have to do that, but I like doing that. And then I'm just going to drag in a overlay here. And I'll size this up to, let's say, 300 by 300. I think that's fine. And anchor this to the middle. Make the alignment here to 0.5 for the X and Y. And position this to 0. Make it go straight to the middle of the UI. Oh, and in here, in the overlay, we want to add a image. Where's image? Image, there it is. Add an image. And on this, I want to make the horizontal alignment to the middle and the vertical to the top, like so, just like how we have it. And here, I'm going to import my arrow image. See arrow, my arrow here, back in the widget here, make it my image. I'm going to size this up quite a bit. I think that's fine. And also do the angle here because it's not properly angled. And also if you need to, just do the Y translation here. Bring this up if you need to, like so. I think that's fine. I like that. And now what we're going to do, we will just go ahead and do this on the overlay. Make sure it is set to a variable. Go back into the graph here, and on the event tick, we want to, well, first we actually need to make a function here. Call this updates hits indicator. On event tick, we want to get a is valid node with a question mark. On the input object, just we can just go ahead and right click and promote it to a variable. Call this instigator. Sorry, I forgot how to type there. But I actually misspelled that because I didn't misspell it. I just had caps on. Instigator. There we go. Oh, sorry. Hold up. There we go. Instigator. And we can actually just go ahead and make this a actor instead of a object. Change variable type. Yes. Like so. That is good. And make sure we set it to a instance editable and expose on spawn, just in case. I think this should be fine. And now the update hits indicator, drag this into the is valid. And let's see. Wait, no, that is, I'm doing that way wrong here. I'm sorry. Just take all of this and put this on the event tick. I don't know how I did that. Don't know how I did that, but I did. Sorry about that. Instead of hits indicator here, we want to get the instigator and get actor location. Oh, get actor location like so. And then gets camera manager. Get player camera manager. Yes, that's it. and then get actor transform like so, and then find relative look at rotation, and the target location will be the instigator location. Then for the overlay, once you get this, and set render transform angle, and on the return value of the find relative look rotation, just right click and split struct, and grab the Z into the angle here of the transform angle. And on event construct, we just want to drag in the update hit indicator. Then we want to make a custom event as well. Call this reset close delay. I'll just call it that. Misspelled that again. Oh well, that's fine. And out of here, we're going to get a retriggerable delay. Retriggerable delay. And we can make this 6 seconds, however long you want it to remove from the UI. Remove from parents. Now back into the projectile here. PP projectile. On the collision components here, let's see, the collision, we want to check the block pawn box here, or else it won't work. And we can actually go here to the on components, component hits, like so. And we can actually go ahead and delete all of this. We can delete that, that's fine. And out of other actor, you want to get a equals. For the other part of here, this want to get the player character or player pawn. You can either get player character or player pawn. It doesn't really matter which one you get. Then get a branch. And then out of the branch of the true, I want to make a, actually we need to make a new function here. So do this, and we'll name it check hit indicator widgets, like so. We want to get all widgets of class. And this will be, of course, the widget that we made. So the WPP hits indicator. And then we want to get a for each loop. So hold down F and left click, if you didn't already know that. And out of here, actually, wait, my bad, I'm sorry. We actually need to get a for each loop with a break. So with a break. Now out of the array elements, we want to get the instigator, get instigator, like so. Get a equals to the get instigator of this actor. And then right click on this Boolean variable right here and promote it to a local variable. I'll just call this LV underscore found. After this, we want to get a branch. And out of the array elements, we want to say resets close delay, which is the function, well actually not the function, but the event that we made in the widget. Plug this into the true. And then after this, we want to drag this onto the break. Some reroute nodes here to make it nice and pretty. And then on completed, we want to get the LV found variable, get a branch, And then on true, get a destroy actor. And out of false, we want to create widgets. And this will be our widget that we made, WBP hit indicator. And the instigator, this will be the get instigator of this actor. And then out of the return value, we want to add to viewports like so. And then just copy this destroy actor. Oh, there we go. Destroy actor, back to the event graph, and add this to the true of the branch. And that's all we need to do for that. Now, real quick, I am going to make a like a cannon real quick. So let's see, actor BP cannon. I'll add a arrow in the event graph here. I'll just add a delay node here of 1 second. I do a spawn actor from class. This will be the projectile that we have. So projectile, BP projectile. And the instigator right here, this will be self, which is not there. Oh, okay, this actually needs to be a pawn. So let me reparent this to a pawn. Spawn transform. Oh, that's right. So the instigator, I'll just make this self. And the spawn transform, I want to get the arrow up here and then get world transform like so. There we go. And out of here, just drag this back onto the delay so that it'll just keep shooting projectiles every 1 second. Now all I have to do is add this to our map here. Oh, bring this up a bit. Now rotate it. So click play. Oh, hold on. Let me make the arrow visible so you can actually see it. See hidden in game. Uncheck that. There we go. Now I'm see here. Now we have an arrow that will point towards the actor that we were hit from, or the enemy, pretty much, like so. And after 6 seconds, it will remove from the player UI. And that's it. Thank you for watching.